If you're a new viewer to this channel, subscribe to this channel. It's not just about tennis, it's about Melbourne, to share the best of this city with people around the world. The personality and culture of Melbourne is premium on this channel. I'd encourage you to subscribe to this channel. It's not just about tennis, it's about Melbourne. And it's my goal to share the best of this city with people around the world through this content channel. Please come back again, and we hope that where you are, there's lots of Christmas cheer ahead for you and into the new year. Welcome to This Walking Life. I'm the bloke who walks, and today we've got a special announcement for our younger viewers and those young at heart. Coming soon is a special presentation of the Maya Christmas windows from the Burke Street Mall in Melbourne, which has been saved from cancellation during these unusual times. So look out for that episode, and we hope you enjoy it. And thanks for watching. And if you haven't already subscribed, please do so. Like the video, comment on it, give us any feedback you can, and we'll see you soon. Welcome to This Walking Life, to the home of the Australian Open, outside Melbourne Park, Laver Arena. Thanks for watching this special Australian Open edition brought to you by This Walking Life. Stay tuned for the director's commentary for this video. Let's go. We'll be walking from accommodation at Arrow and Spencer Apartments to the home of the Australian Open, Melbourne Park. Today we have a special bulletin announcement. Australian Open set to begin on February 8th. And this video is going to be in 3 parts. First I'm going to go through the details that were announced. The Australian Open will go ahead, but has been pushed back, set for a start date of February 8th. The second part, I'm going to be talking about the general effects on the tournament. And the third, some of the possible implications for the players, the officials and the City of Melbourne. I'm the bloke who walks. Let's go. Welcome to This Walking Life. And we're walking from Richmond train station to the home of the Australian Open. From the outside Melbourne Park, Laver Arena, and walking into the centre of Melbourne. Let's go. Thanks for watching this special Australian Open edition brought to you by This Walking Life. Stay tuned for the director's commentary for this video. Welcome to This Walking Life. Today we're in Melbourne, Australia, and today we're walking from the centre of Melbourne and then on to finishing at the Queen Victoria Market. Let's go.